Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are at this point in time. You are welcome on the Betong's Media. I'm your guy, the Betong. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency with euros or deposit cryptocurrency in your euro account using Binance. Binance is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency as a beginner or as a pro. Let's say you want to start buying cryptocurrency and you don't know how to go about it. You can start using Binance, to start buying and selling cryptocurrency. And if you say this is your first time here, you want to smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. You want to subscribe here because I create content that will educate you on how you can build wealth with cryptocurrency from scratch, and also how you can manage your portfolio when you make money in cryptocurrency. I want to assume that you are a beginner and you haven't yet started using Binance. So I want you to go to the description of this video right now to register with Binance so that you can start trading with Binance. And when you are done register with Binance, you can go to the App Store to download the Binance app. You just go to the App Store, you type it there, Binance, and the app will appear. And this will depend in which country you find yourself. So this is the Binance app. You can get the app here. Like, I have installed the app already. I'm not going to update this, but this is not what I want to do right now. I'm just going to go back to the Binance app. So once you are done, guys, to register with Binance, once you have your Binance account set up, this is how the interface will look like. Let's say you are not able to see this interface, maybe you are using the other interface. This is how it's gonna look like, the other interface, but I'm gonna recommend you always go to the Binance Pro, not the Binance Lite. Always go to the Binance Pro to perform this activity. Now you can see here, guys, if say you are not able to find deposit euro or buy with euro, you can go to more, and for more you will see all the services that Binance is providing here. You just have to scroll down and you're going to see everything that you have here. And if say you want to trade, finance, everything. But usually, guys, you see everything you need is just going to be at the forefront of your Binance. Like, for example, it says here deposit. So all you need to do is just click on deposit, and it will take you to different options for you to choose what you want to deposit. If say you want to deposit crypto, then choose the cryptocurrency here that you want to deposit. Or let's say you want to deposit cash, go to cash, and you're going to see all the fiat currency available here that you can buy cryptocurrency with. In our case, we are going to buy cryptocurrency using euros. So you click on euros, it's going to take you to this interface. Here you have different options: buy cryptocurrency through bank transfer, that is SEPA, and this is going to take up to 1 to 2 business days, and you're going to pay a fee of €1 regardless of how much you are going to transfer to your Binance Euro account. And if say you want to buy with your Visa card, your bank card, you're going to pay 1.8% transaction fee from the amount that you are buying. So if you are buying with €2,000, you're going to pay 1.8% of that money. I don't want to do that, so I usually buy through SEPA. You want to buy, but I'm going to show you guys all this process. Let's say right now you want to do with bank transfer. You just click here. It will take you to insert how much you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 500 euros. So you can see here you're going to pay a transaction fee, that's €1. That means you're going to receive 499 euros in your Binance account. All you need to do is click continue. This will pop up here. Make sure you read all this. Once you are done reading all this, you can just click OK, and then click to copy receiver name, the IBAN, and any other information that you find here that your bank will request from you to send this money to Binance, so that Binance can deposit it to your Binance Euro account. So once you are done with this, you copy the IBAN and do everything that is required for you to send money to someone else within Europe. Once that is done, boom, then you are good to go. All you need to do is wait for Binance to deposit this money into your account within 1 to to business days. Now guys, let's say like this process is the same process as I mentioned. You can see your deposit, you can see, like, let me go back to the main page. From the main page you can see already your deposit euros. You can see buy with euros. Buying with euros is gonna be based on the fact that you already have euros in your euro account with Binance before you can swap to any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Let's say, for example, you have already deposited that amount of money, like let's say 500 euros. If say you want to buy now BTC, you just click here BTC. It will take you to this interface. You put that amount, let's say 200 euros that you want to buy BTC. Continue. It will give you the same option that you should buy BTC with your bank card or from your SEPA balance. In this case, you don't have any SEPA balance yet. Like me, I don't have any SEPA balance yet, so I cannot buy with my SEPA. If say I want to buy with my SEPA, it will show here for me to buy, and if I refresh it, it will take me, like, let's say confirm. It will ask me to top up my euro account before I can buy, and if I continue top up, it will take me to the same process that I showed you guys earlier, for you to choose if you want to buy with your bank card or through bank transfer. These are the process for you to buy cryptocurrency using euros. And once you have the cryptocurrency, as I mentioned, you can swap it through this means, like Ethereum. You swap it through this means, and also you can do it this way. Like, let's say right now you have that amount and you want to convert it into USDT or any other crypto that you have that you want to trade on Binance. You click more, it will take you to, like, go downward. You'll see convert. You see here on that trade, you see convert. You click the convert. Now select, let's say for example this is euro. You have euro, you'll see euro will appear there, the amount will appear. Or then let's say you want to swap euros to Ethereum or BTC. You click BTC, then you click max. It will take you how much. You click max or the amount you want to convert to BTC, and once that is done, boom, you now have BTC. So this is how you buy cryptocurrency using Binance, and also how you swap after you have bought the cryptocurrency from Binance. So if say this content was helpful to you and you want me to create more of such content, then you want to smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. I create more of such content that will help you build wealth from scratch. This is what I do, and I love helping people. So if say you want to connect with me more on a one-on-one basis, then you want to go to the description of this video. There you're going to find my social links to connect with me on Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, even TikTok. So make sure you reach out to me so I can help you build something sustainable for you. Until then guys, I wish you the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.